Welcome back traders, Arbab is here and you're watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this video you will going to learn about if you have money, so you can earn much money in forex market, right? But if you don't have money, you use high lot size, high leverage size and liquidate. Okay, so we have solution for you. There is a company named My Forex Fund. Maybe you hear. If you don't hear, must watch this video. Called My Forex Funds. It's called a prop firm which provide you a capital for your trading. So how it's work and how to get it, what is the scenario, everything you will going to learn this, and what strategy we use for this one I will also tell you about that. Okay, so stick with me. Come to the website called myforexfunds.com. Okay, and here I will also post a link of this website in the description. Here what you will find, we have these program: rapid, evaluation and accelerated. Okay, so click on the evaluation as experience. Okay, because you should have some little knowledge. Okay, so in this program what you will find out, in this program they provide you a capital of from 5,000 to 300k and up to 2 million as well. Okay, so this is the real capital they provide you for trading. Okay, so what they do after you pass their challenges, okay, so you will get the real account money on your MT5 or any broker they suggest it or you select it. Okay, so they will split the profit, like if you make $1,000 by their capital, they will get 30%, $300, and you will get $700 of that trade, and sometime after some time you will get 90% as well. Okay, so how these forex fund work? There he say our evaluation program is two-step process where a potential fund trader can be prove their forex, CFD or commodities trading skills. Evaluation trading account size range from 5,000 to 300 with profit split payouts. Okay, they have 600k capital evaluation account but only 3 per trading account. Okay, so here what happen if you are want to start with $5,000. Okay, so they have, what you have to do, they have phase 1 with evaluation phase 8%. Okay, what have to do, you have to increase as they will give you a demo account of 5,000 first, then you have to increase the 8% of 5,000, and then after that first you complete the phase 1 in 1 month 30 days, and after that phase 2 you have to increase 5% of that much amount. Okay, if you complete this step within 2 months like this, so they will give you a real account of $5,000, then you can start trading. Okay, so what is the trading days? There is minimum trading of 5 days for every account, maximum trading days unlimited. Okay, 5 days as per our exclude our weekends. Okay, so what is the rules? That you should not draw down $250 per day. Okay, and overall drawdown should not be a $600. Okay, if you draw down 6,000, they will take your real account and also this one demo account. Okay, so these is help you to be consistent on with your risk reward and with your risk management. Okay, if because they are checking your risk psychology, if you do a proper risk management, risk psychology, they will understand you will be a profitable for them. Okay, so if you are here aggressive and put lot size or anything without your risk management or risk calculation, then you will be probably going to lose this much money. Okay, okay, same here for 10,000 daily drawdown 500 and 1,200 for overall 20 for $20,000 account 1,000 to 4,000 2,400 50,000 100k 200k 300k as well. Okay, so leverage is 1 to 200 1 to 100, and the price of $5,000 is 49. Is once you pass this challenge, this one, they will refund you back. Okay, so this is also thing, but if you fail, it's not be refundable. Okay, this will for 10,000 account, for 139, for 50,000 account, for 100k account. Very easy for you if you have a simple strategy. I will also explain you which strategy make you pass your funded challenge. Okay, and also you can join my Telegram channel where you want to learn about these things. Okay, no problem, I will explain you, no problem. There is no monthly fees. Okay, if for example you select any of the plan, select plan, and you will pay it 200 this much money, and after you pass there everything, sign up, and then you pass, they will refund back on your paid account. Okay, so this is the my first friend. There's many platform, but this one is have a good actually they are very old and trustable. Okay, so there is many platform that is better than them because they have some evaluation phase and have many things that are not matching with them, but this platform have very old history, and everything is recorded. Okay, so make sure you can join this one. I will give you a link, you can go through from there. Okay, so by strategy, if we are talking about strategy, we have ICT OT entry every day on a London on a New York session. You have to find out the buys and just find the right point to entry. Okay, and you can enter every day on our trade. Okay, so if you don't find a trade, don't worry. We have many pairs: Euro USDT, SPX 500, NAS 100, and another 100. Use only ICT strategy or SMC strategy that will achieve you this goal 1 to 2 risk reward. Why I'm telling this one, because their risk is very narrow and reward is very high. If you are using some type of moving averages or price action, then the result will be not same, because you don't know why I'm putting stop loss here, you don't know why I'm setting our target there. So you must follow the liquidity levels. Okay, so many times you find the trade in the our Euro USD on silver bullet of London session, New York session, PM time, AM time. As you seen here, yesterday market, this was a Friday, and market going is bullish high, and we found here 1 hour optimal trade entry after 8:30. At 10:11 we find we got this much. In also gold, I post this 30 pips is very good, 30 pips very good. So in gold also I post our trade that we got yesterday in gold. So you also check my Telegram channel, link in the bio. Okay, you will see here, as you see this one, the trade that I got from a gold, and we got 60 pips from that trade. Okay, so not every day, but you have many confluences. I make video on OT entries, silver bullet, and other strategies you will find in my YouTube playlist. So must you make sure you watch all these things. Okay, so I hope you are doing well, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel, where I post daily records, daily trades, and also also give you signals with the SMC base, and also my strategy that I will reveal after 1000 subscribers, have a good win rate, and many things. Okay, so make sure you join my Telegram channel, and also if you want a good broker with the ultra low spread and zero commission, make sure you come, and you will see in a pin messages that this broker have regulated and very good rate. Okay, so make sure you join. Best of luck.